Are you on the hunt for the best tonneau covers that not only elevate your truck's aesthetics, but also provide unmatched protection and functionality? Look no further. In today's video, we dive deep into the ultimate tonneau covers that will transform your driving experience and keep your cargo safe from the elements. Discover revolutionary designs, cutting-edge materials, and innovative features that will leave you wondering how you ever drove without one. Whether you crave sleek sophistication or rugged durability, we've got you covered. Get ready to unlock the potential of your truck. And stay tuned to find the perfect tonneau cover that suits your lifestyle. Click that play button, and let's roll into the world of top-notch truck accessories. Number 7. Idro FRP Hard Trifold Tonneau Cover is a perfect solution for Toyota Tacoma owners looking for top-tier protection and style. Designed specifically for 2016 to 2025 Toyota Tacoma XL Trail Edition with a 5-foot bed. This tonneau cover offers a precise fit and secure installation with embedded clamps and a bulletproof wrench clamp for added safety. The high-strength fiberglass panels provide superior durability, offering exceptional protection against rain, snow, and sharp objects, ensuring your cargo stays secure and dry. The cover is easy to install with no drilling required, making it a hassle-free process. With additional features like a nylon strap for security and a complementary LED light for visibility, this hard trifold tonneau cover delivers unmatched reliability. Its robust construction allows it to handle heavy loads, and the reinforced locking mechanism keeps the cover firmly closed even during travel. For a safe driving experience, make sure to follow the installation instructions carefully. If you're in the market for the best tonneau covers, the Idro FRP Hard Trifold Tonneau Cover is a top choice for your Toyota Tacoma. Number 6. Tyger Auto T1 Soft Roll-Up Truck Bed Tonneau Cover is a top choice for your 2019 to 2025 Ram 1500 with a 5 feet 7 inches, 67-inch bed. Crafted from heavy-duty 24 ounces marine-grade vinyl, this cover provides exceptional durability and weather resistance. The U.S. patented design includes built-in horizontal crossbars that offer support while keeping the cover flat or rolled up for full bed access. The cover is equipped with aircraft-grade aluminum side rails and stainless steel clamps for easy mounting. Its Velcro strips on the sides and latch lock system at the tailgate provide a secure fit, while the adjustable tension system keeps the cover tight and wrinkle-free in all weather conditions. Installation is a breeze with no drilling required, and the package comes with all necessary mounting hardware. It's backed by a limited lifetime warranty for U.S. customers, ensuring peace of mind. This Tyger Auto tonneau cover is the perfect addition for anyone looking for a reliable and stylish solution for their truck bed, making it an excellent choice for the best tonneau covers. Number 5. Wiis Soft Roll-Up Truck Bed Tonneau Cover is specifically designed for the 2019 to 2025 Chevy Silverado and GMC Sierra 1500 with a 5 feet 10 inches, 70-inch bed. Crafted with a double-layer PVC top and a corrosion-resistant black powder-coated aluminum frame, this cover offers superior durability and a secure fit, ensuring long-lasting performance. The roll-up design allows for quick and easy access to your cargo, and when fully rolled up, it provides complete bed access. Its heavy-duty hook and loop side closure protect your items from the elements, while the latch closure system keeps the cover tight and noise-free. Additionally, durable safety straps and buckles secure the cover when it's open. Installation is a breeze with no drilling required, and all necessary instructions and hardware are included. For vehicles with over-the-bedrail bed liners, a small modification is needed. Wiis offers a solid warranty with responsive customer service, ensuring a solution for any issues you may encounter. Perfect for those looking for a reliable, easy-to-use tonneau cover. This product is a great choice for anyone seeking the best tonneau covers for their truck. Number 4. Toutel Hard Shell Folding Truck Bed Tonneau Cover is an exceptional choice for 2015 to 2025 Ford F-150 owners with a 5 feet 5 inches bed. This premium quality cover features a robust aluminum frame and hinges, finished in a sleek powder-coated matte black that adds a touch of elegance to your truck. Made from EnduraShield, an automotive-grade polymer, the panels are not only dent, fade, and scratch-resistant, but also stay cool to the touch, even on the hottest days. One of the standout features of the Tonneau cover is its user-friendly design. You can effortlessly fold up the cover using clamps, and it locks securely in place, providing easy access when needed. In just seconds, the entire cover can be removed without any tools or drilling, thanks to the innovative jaw grip clamps. With its extreme seal, this tonneau cover keeps out bad weather, ensuring your cargo remains safe and dry. For truck enthusiasts looking for the best tonneau covers on the market, the Toutel Hard Shell is an unbeatable option that combines style, functionality, and ease of use.
Number 3. Rough Country Hard Trifold Truck Bed Tonneau Cover for Chevy Silverado and GMC Sierra 1500, 2019, 2025 is an exceptional choice for truck owners seeking style, durability, and security. This low-profile, hard-folding bed cover is made from high-quality aluminum, featuring corrosion-resistant panels and a black powder-coated frame, ensuring long-lasting protection for your truck bed. The sleek matte black finish gives it a streamlined look, blending seamlessly with your truck's design. It's designed to fit perfectly with models like the Chevy Silverado 1500 LT and GMC Sierra 1500 at 4X, and it integrates smoothly with your truck's tailgate lock for added security. The trifold design allows for easy cargo access, while nylon straps secure the cover when it's in the 2/3 open position. Plus, with its auto latch and easy cable release, closing and securing the cover is a breeze. Installation is hassle-free with no drilling required, and all necessary tools are included. Backed by Rough Country's USA customer support and a 5-year replacement warranty, this tonneau cover delivers both practicality and peace of mind.
Number 2. Sataloos Retractable Truck Bed Tonneau Cover is the ultimate choice for Chevy Silverado and GMC Sierra 1500 owners seeking both functionality and style. Designed specifically for 5 feet 8 inches truck beds from 2014 to 2025, this cover features a state-of-the-art combination lock system, eliminating the need for traditional keys and allowing easy access for family and friends. Crafted from high-strength aluminum and coated with a matte finish, it provides robust protection against rain, snow, UV rays, and dirt while maintaining a sleek appearance. The eco-friendly materials ensure durability while being recyclable. Installation is a breeze, taking only 30 to 60 minutes with a friend. And the unique T-slot rail system allows for future expansions, with convenient features like a one-click password unlocking and an integrated water management system. The Sataloos tonneau cover excels in both security and ease of use. Experience outstanding performance and safeguard your belongings with the best tonneau cover on the market. Number 1. Real Truck BAKFlip MX4 Hard Folding Truck Bed Tonneau Cover 448339 is a top-tier option for anyone looking for the best tonneau cover for their 2021 to 2025 Ford F-150, including Raptor/Lightning with a 5 feet 7 inches bed. This tonneau cover is crafted with durable aluminum panels that provide ultimate security, automatically latching as the cover is partially or fully closed. The cover is fully locked once the tailgate is shut, ensuring your gear stays safe. Its stylish matte finish not only looks great, but also protects against scratches, UV damage, and marks, making it a perfect choice for anyone who wants both form and function. The perimeter seals and hardware are upgraded to ensure long-lasting performance. The BAKFlip MX4 offers 100% bed access, whether the cover is closed, folded, or flipped up, without blocking the third brake light. Plus, the dual-action tailgate seal allows for smooth tailgate operation, whether open or closed. If you're looking for a tonneau cover that combines security, style, and convenience, the Real Truck BAKFlip MX4 is a standout option. In conclusion, finding the best tonneau covers for your truck can enhance both its functionality and appearance. Each cover offers unique benefits, from improved fuel efficiency to added security. We hope this guide has helped you make an informed decision based on your needs. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below your thoughts. Share this video with fellow truck enthusiasts to spread the knowledge about the best tonneau covers available.